Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the EUFY clean app settings for the EUFY C20. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the C20 from the EUFY clean app where we can select it to enter in. Then we're taken to this main overview where we can see the charging status, a breakout of our current map. Down at the bottom, we have multiple tabs for different cleaning options. We can do a home, whole clean, room by room clean, or we can do a zone clean, and we can add up to 10 zones. So you have all those options right there. And then we can customize the cleaning preferences, right? What mode do you want? Vacuum and mop, vacuum only or mop only mode. Adjust the suction power and the water levels right there. Then on the right-hand side of the screen, above those tabs, we have the Edit Map option. This is where we can merge, divide, rename rooms. We can also set up no-go zones. We can add virtual walls and boundaries. Here's a no-go zone in red. Here's a no-mop zone in yellow. Drag and drop, and you can add multiples of each. And above the Edit Map icon, we have the base station settings where we can empty the dustbin, wash the mop, or dry the mop. We can also view more base station settings here. We can adjust the mop washing frequency, smart washer by duration. Then we have our auto drying settings, 3, 4, 5, or 6 hours, auto empty settings, and then the frequency for the auto empty right there. And in the top right hand corner, the settings gear icon, so we can select that. We have our RoboVac info up at the top. We can view all of our maps here. We can turn on multi-level mapping and create a new map down at the bottom. We can set a schedule for this vacuum if we wanted to. We can view our cleaning history. So we'll look at one of those really quick. There's a rundown of the cleaning history there. Carpet cleaning settings, so we can choose our carpet mode, vacuum only, or carpet avoidance. And boost IQ if we want to toggle that on or off. Base station settings, we already looked at those. Manual controls, we can drive the vacuum around and then send it back home to recharge. Voice settings, we can adjust the volume and choose the language for our vacuum. Robot settings here, do not disturb, auto return cleaning, child lock, area units, and activity log upload. And then down here at the bottom, this is our firmware updates, accessory services letting us know when it's time to replace things like the brush and the filters. Help and contact info, find the robot if it's around the house, and we can share this RoboVac if we want with members. We can build them out right here, friends or family. And then lastly, at the very bottom, we have the remove the device option. That's going to be to delete the device from your account. So it's a simple and straightforward app that's easy to navigate.